Hey, happy Monday! Hope you guys had a great weekend. Don't know if you noticed, but I just dyed my hair, just dyed my eyebrows. And I'm ready to open this month's Boxycharm, so let's take a look. So the theme for this month is Boxy and Chill. Cool with the young kids, I guess. And the first product in here is actually for hair. It's the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, which is cool. I've tried a couple of Briogeo products in the past and I really enjoyed all of them, although I think it's pretty expensive for me to buy regularly. The spray says it'll detangle your hair, protect against heat, lock in moisture, and diminish frizz. And the bottle, I guess, is about a $12 value. I think it's like the perfect time to try it out, right? But yeah, I will easily use that up. Next in here, there is a $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Looks like it's kind of a medium brown color. Oh, it's actually, I think, a little bit fairer than medium brown. And now that I just dyed my hair, I don't think this is going to be dark enough for me. The problem with Universal products is like the undertones can't be right for everybody. I don't know why brands keep thinking they can like pull that crap. Yeah, it's just a cop-out for lazy brands. Plus, what if you're a redhead? You're not going to use this. And what if you're like super fair blonde? You're not going to use this. And if you've got darker hair than me, you certainly aren't going to use this. But anyway, it's $18. It's got a spoolie on the end, which is nice. The formula feels nice and smooth, which is pretty cool. And I'll probably end up testing it out. It's, from the brand $1 Billion Brows, which I've never heard of before. Next, there's a lip product. This is from Ofra. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. And I think I've maybe tried one other Ofra lip product before, and it was like okay. I'm happy to see that we don't have a pink color this month. Let me know if you got the same color. It's got kind of a cakeish smell. Let me just throw it on here. It's kind of like a orangey brick red. Ooh, that's bright. Matches my sweater. Did a terrible job applying that. Yeah, that's really pretty. Like, super wearable. Kind of fun. If Boxycharm could mix it up and throw in like a different shaded lipstick every month, that would be a huge upgrade. Also, I have my Tarte product from last month, and I think these will go really nicely together, too. And $20, and yeah, maybe I'll do a wear test on it. I feel like Ofra is a little bit trickier to get your hands on in Canada, but yeah, I really like the color. I love a bright orange lip. And I like that this one's, like, not too bright. It's kind of, like, desaturated. I don't know, it's really pretty. I like it. Next, Tarte product. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, that's pretty. Somehow I have so many Tarte products. Now, to be honest, this is pretty boring. There's all shimmery colors except for, I think this one here is matte. And they're all different flesh tones, like light flesh tones. I don't know, this is like pretty safe. This is almost like too safe, I would say. Well, they all feel really nice and smooth, like I would expect from a Tarte product. I love the packaging, but that shade range is pretty underwhelming, right? Anyway, I'll play around with it. I'll probably manage to use it up right. All I do is no eyeshadow. Why am I complaining? Anyway, that is $36 value. Boxycharm certainly does have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. And last, I'm super excited. Some face masks, and they didn't just put in one, they put in two, so maybe we can do a face mask Friday in the future. So this 2-pack is $24. Hella expensive. And this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Maybe I can convince Douglas to give it a go with me. Those are the 5 products. we got this month. And I would say the brow pencil is probably the biggest stud. Why don't I just like put it on, right? I don't have any brows on. The color works, I will say. Well, the color's maybe a little bit warm. But I think we should start calling brands out on that universal bullshit. Because, I mean, it's good that we don't all need universal products, right? If I'm paying $18 on an eyebrow pencil, I want it to be, like, custom made for me. Alright, well, that was this month's box. So let's rewind time and go back to last month's box. So, of course, we got that straight iron, the PYT or something, straight iron from last month. And I'm happy to say I haven't touched it at all. I'm thinking I'm going to give it away to a friend that needs a hair straightener. I don't know where I put it, honestly. But it's kicking around my office somewhere, and yeah. How long has that been going on? So where? Is this a beauty show or a horror show? This Tarte lip gloss, it's actually a lip paint, I guess, a glossy lip paint in Strike Gold, is just a really boring, not really noticeable lip gloss. In the tube it looks stunning, but on your lips it's just like super vanilla, no big deal. I like the formula. It's really comfortable to wear. Not as like good as like my Boxycharm where you get that like tingle, but it's fine. I like it a lot better than the normal lip paints. I also have this Bodyography Timber lip pencil, which I haven't used, but it's definitely available at my hands if I need to use it, so I appreciate that. The mask I haven't used. I'm doing so bad from last month. I've heard some so-so things about it from comments that you guys have left and things I've read on other people's Boxycharm unboxings, but I'm glad to have it on hand. I really do love charcoal masks. And lastly, we got the Pretty Vulgar powder, which I'm really enjoying. Like, as a powder, I mean, I don't really notice how well my face powder performs. I feel like my skin's compatible with most face powders. But I have to say, this little powder puff just makes me feel like a drag queen extraordinaire. I love it. The jar itself, it's like so-so. But that puff, man, doesn't take much to make me happy. So anyway, that's this month's Boxycharm. That's last month's Boxycharm. Overall, I've been really happy with Boxycharm. And, oh, God. Ugh. I'm so sorry. Hashtag not sorry. Maybe I'm fixed now. No. Shouldn't have put that lip gloss on there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I think I have a link for Boxycharm down below. I think I get points or something if you sign up through my link. So my subscription I think is up in April or March. So I'm going to have to pick out a new subscription box soon because my year's almost up. Of course, once I'm done, I'll do my entire recap video of the whole year of Boxycharm. And I will move on to a brand new box. So if you have any subscription box suggestions, definitely leave a comment down below. Anyway, if you can't tell, I'm completely rambling. I'm so tired. I keep getting lipstick all over my teeth. And yeah, I'm going to sign off. So a huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys. Thank you to you for watching. And I will see you all in Wednesday's beauty video. Hopefully with better teeth and better lipstick. Alright, bye guys.